I'm John Crestani, and I make over $500,000 a month with affiliate marketing, but I'm going to show you how to get started if you're a complete beginner. And I'll be going over on my computer right here a step-by-step way for you to go from zero to hero. Hey, so if you're looking to start affiliate marketing and you are a complete beginner, first of all, I recommend you do check out my introduction series to affiliate marketing. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to get started. We're going to be doing a couple things here. We're going to be the first part of affiliate marketing is joining an affiliate network. And this is where you find products you can sell or link to and make commissions from. First step. Second step is you want to find a product, a specific product that you can sell on the internet, that you resonate with, and that you can make money with. So that's going to be our second thing. The third thing that we're going to do is we're going to actually go out there and sell it. Now, if you are a serious action taker, I recommend go through all these steps in this video, and actually you can start earning your first commissions right now if you just take these steps. So let's get on my computer and I'll show you everything step by step so you know what you're getting into. So here I am, and if we Google just affiliate networks, for instance, we'll find a bunch of results. We'll find a ton, and we'll see if we just look up the top 10 affiliate networks that aren't Amazon, we'll see a ton of affiliate networks. We see ClickBank, JVZoo, GiddyUp, ShareASale, Evangate. How do you decide what to join? Now, first off, two great affiliate networks to join are Amazon, and my other favorite is ClickBank. So Amazon is very easy to join, and let me show you how to join Amazon's affiliate network. Now, if you're on Amazon right here, as you see, I'm on Amazon.com, okay? We'll scroll down to the bottom of the page, and what we see is in the footer, it says, make money with us, okay? Right there. And you'll see there's a lot of ways you can make money with Amazon, selling, private label brands, business, etc. But what we're interested is become an affiliate. Now that's what we're going to start with right there. So when we click on this, we'll see profit from our experience, earn up to 10% advertising fees with a trusted e-commerce leader. Join now for free, okay? So very easy to join and start selling stuff on Amazon. See, it says join, advertise, earn, and basically you'll just want to join. And one of the things it will ask you for is it will ask you to put in a website. Now, do you have a Facebook profile? My guess is yes. Or if you don't, you can create a Facebook profile for free. That's your website. Okay, very easy. Also, you know, I've heard of some people just putting in random websites that have a lot of visitors in their niche, and I guess Amazon doesn't check. But keep in mind, your YouTube channel, you can set up a YouTube channel for free. Your Facebook profile is free, and you can set these things up and use them as your website. Okay, very easy. Now, Amazon, you don't make a lot of money. For purposes of demonstration, I could, say I'm selling this book, Anathem, which is about a $20 book. If you earn 10% of that, what are you making? $2. You're not going to become a millionaire recommending books to people unless you're making more than 10%. So the affiliate network that I really like is called ClickBank, and you can see ClickBank right here. There's a lot of affiliate networks, but ClickBank is the most trustworthy and the oldest affiliate network around. It's been around for 21 years. It's based in Boise, Idaho. And this is the network that I made my first commissions on. Many people have made their first commissions on. And it's also been the affiliate network that I currently make most of my money with. Now, if we click here, Affiliate Marketplace, right there, we'll see all of the products that you can sell on a commission-only basis. So let's click this search icon right here and see how many products we can find. Okay, now you'll see there's over 4,500 products in the marketplace. Let's zoom in. So this gives you a lot of options of what do you want to sell. Okay, what do you want to sell to make a lot of money with? Okay, and you'll see they tell you how much money you'll make if somebody buys what you're selling as an affiliate. You see $37 if you sell this, $56 if you sell this, $41 if you sell this. There's a lot of money to be made selling these different products. Now, to find something you resonate with, you kind of want to choose what I recommend. I personally sell business opportunity type products, but what I recommend you do is let's just get started on Amazon. Okay, as I said, the way you make big money is with another affiliate network outside of Amazon, but let's just get started with Amazon for the time being for demonstration purposes. Is that okay? Is that okay? Okay, cool. Sorry, I didn't hear you there for a second. So back to Amazon. Now I'm going to go to Amazon.com, and once again, let's say I want to start off with advertising this book, Anathem, which is a book I'm reading right now. It's a really good book, and we're going to search this on Amazon and look it up. So we'll see, okay, well, it's $9. Okay, $9 right here. So I'm going to click on the book, and what you'll see is when you're accepted for an affiliate network, you see this little bar. It says Amazon Associates Site Stripe right here. This is where I'll get my affiliate link. So what I'll do is I'll click Get Link Text right there. And you'll see it says text link created below. Now, this is my affiliate link, which I will use to sell this book. This is the link. People need to click on this link and buy the book, and I make money. Okay, does that make sense? People click on this link, they buy the book, and I make money. So we can look at the full link here. I'm not going to go into what the full link is, but this carries, basically the link carries information that tells, the way affiliate marketing works is the link contains information that tells Amazon that's the person clicked on my link versus they searched for it online or whatnot. And that link is in right here, the tag. So that this stuff tells them. But we're just going to grab the short link, copy it. Now I have my link. I joined an affiliate network, I selected a product, and we're going to move on to posting about how we can actually, getting some people to come to my website. Okay, so now there are a few ways to get people to come to your link. Okay, you will already have access to them. Now, do you communicate with anybody digitally? My guess is yes, you do. You probably use text messages. That's a way you could get your link out to people. You use email. That's a way you can get your link out to people. You use Instagram. That's a way you can get your link out to people. Do you ever post comments on YouTube? That's a way you can get your link out to people. Facebook. This is a way you can get your link out to people. All of these methods are ways you can get your link out to people. Now, most of the time, you're probably having very you're talking about random social, male-female social dynamics in your life. That's cool, but we're talking about making money here. So that's what we'll need to be talking to people about in our emails. Now, let's say I'm recommending this book. The first place I could start is through email. I want people to click on my link. I could send an email to a couple of my close friends, let's say, or just people I know. I could send one to, my friend Carlos. I'm not actually going to type in my friends' emails here, just so you don't email all my friends. But I could type in my friends, and I could, write something like book recommendation. And I could say, I remember you asked me for a sci-fi book recommendation, and I'm reading a really good one right now. I absolutely love it. Check it out. And I put my link there. See? There's my link. So I wrote a little short personal email in the way I normally communicate, and then I just put my initials. So that's a way to get your link out to people. You could send an email to people whose emails you have. And in this case, I'm sending an email to Carlos, who I know is interested in science fiction books. That would be a good way to start affiliate marketing. Another way to start affiliate marketing is I could go on my Facebook, and I have, you know, a lot of the people I'm friends with on Facebook are, you know, like the future and science fiction and all this stuff. I'm not going on my Facebook page. I'm going on my personal Facebook because I want to communicate with people personally. Do you buy things from ads? Probably not. Do you ever buy things or see movies or listen to music based on other friends of yours' personal recommendations? My guess is yeah. Again, if we want people to buy from our link, it needs to be somewhat of a personal recommendation. That's why I'm posting on my personal profile. Now, if you don't want to sell anything, that's cool, okay? But again, the other methods of getting your link out there are expensive. They cost money. So we're doing this for free. Now, if you are interested in going deeper into affiliate marketing and paid advertising and the art of copywriting, I suggest I'm gonna have my assistant put up a link to my playlist called The Art of Copywriting here, which will go over how you can use paid advertising to actually make money with marketing. Okay, so here we go. Create a post. I'll just say, really good sci-fi book I'm reading, Mindgasms, every day so far. Check it out. Neal Stephenson is a genius. Now, I'm not spelling correctly because I'm doing personal communication. That's what sells. Again, if you're writing something that looks like an ad, nobody's gonna buy ever. Ever. Nobody wants to buy from ads. Nobody wants to get raped. And that's what buying from an ad feels like. It feels like your wallet is being raped. You want to feel like you're in love, and a personal recommendation feels like you're in love. So here it is. Here's my post. Very simple post. But then I just share it, and that's how it works. Okay? Then I'll just post it right here. Now, that is how to start affiliate marketing in a nutshell. I hope this video was helpful. You can check out my playlists on the basics of getting started with affiliate marketing on my channel homepage, or there should be a link somewhere around here. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want more information on affiliate marketing, and make sure you like and comment on this video about what you'd like to see next. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.